In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and personalize a sticker design using Canva's incredible selection of templates. Canva is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to get creative, whether you are designing a presentation, an invitation, or, in today's case, a custom sticker. Now, if you're ready, let's jump right in. First, we will start our journey on the Canva homepage. Head over there using your web browser of choice. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is straightforward and free. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a bar in the middle of your screen. That's the search engine. It's the gateway to endless design possibilities. Now place your cursor over that search bar and type in sticker. As you type, you'll see various suggestions and templates appear. This is where the fun begins. Canva offers a plethora of options, each differing in style, shape, and theme. You can click through these templates to explore designs, colors, and themes that resonate with the look you're aiming for. For today's example, we're going to click on a template that appeals to us and make it our own. Once you've selected a template, it'll open up in the Canva editor, where you can start customizing it. Look at the elements within your chosen template. Canva makes customization incredibly intuitive. Want to change the background color? Simply click the element and select your preferred hue. Text alteration is just as seamless. Click on the text you want to change and type in your preferred wording. In our scenario, we'll personalize it by replacing the existing text with our name. You'll find you can adjust the font style, size, and even color to better fit the design you envision. For personal flair, consider adding additional graphics. Canva boasts an impressive library of icons, shapes, and lines that you can incorporate to bring out the uniqueness of your design. Have fun experimenting with these elements, dragging and dropping them until your sticker matches your aesthetic. Remember, the undo button is your friend should an adjustment need reevaluation. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece and everything looks just the way you wanted it to, your design process is almost at an end. Don't forget to savor your achievement. And there you have it, your very own personalized sticker created and ready to be used. By following these steps, you'll find that creating personalized stickers on Canva is both fun and rewarding. With the wide array of templates, customization options, and user-friendly tools at your disposal, there's no limit to what you can create. So next time, feel free to explore other features Canva has to offer and let your creativity run wild. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!